Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete answer of the exercise reproduction in animal. This video is for class 8 and the book name is Science Spark by Edubul. Here we will complete the answer MCQs and fill in the blanks, true, false, long and short definition. All this will cover in simple and easy language. So the first question is for choose the correct answer among the four options are given here. First is which type of reproduction involves only in one parent? The correct answer is that is asexual. B is a correct option. So asexual reproduction. Now the next is in sexual reproduction, the male gamete is called sperm. So B is a correct answer. Now the next is which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction? The answer is budding in hydra. So A is a correct option. Now the next is the union of sperms and the egg is known as fertilization. That is means B is a correct option for the question. Now the next is binary fission is a form of reproduction observed in amoeba. Generally binary fever occurs in amoeba. So the C is a correct option. Now the next is fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks means we have to give the proper word in a blanks. So first is the process by which living organism produce offspring is called reproduction. Next is asexual reproduction requires the involvement of two parents. Next is the offspring produced by asexual reproduction are generally identical to the parents. Now the next is in human fertilization takes place in female bodies. Next is the zygote develops in an embryo and eventually a fully formed organism. Now the next question is true and false means whether we have to write which statement is true or false. The first statement is asexual reproduction produces offspring with genetic diversity. No, this is false. Now the next is the budding is a type of asexual reproduction. No, this is a false. The next question is question number third is fertilization in human occurs outside the female body. No, this is false. Now the next is zygote is formed after the fusion of male and female gametes. Yes, this is true. Now the next question is define the following terms. Here terms are given here and we have to define this term. First is reproduction, the process by which living things produce young ones like themselves, that is called reproduction. Next is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a production that happens with only one parent and offspring are exactly like the parents. Now the next is sexual reproduction. The production that need two parents and the offsprings are different from both parents. Now the next is fertilization. The joining of male and female cell, that is sperm and eggs, to form a new cell, that is called fertilization. Next is zygote. The new cell formed after the fertilization that later grows into a baby or a new organism, that is called zygote. Now the next is match the columns means column A, B are column. In the column B we have written the correct answer. So you should see the first is hydra. Hydra is in budding. So that is the correct answer is A to D. Now the next is amoeba. Amoeba is a binary fission. So the correct answer is 2 to C. You will fill up in the 2 to C. Now the next is humans. That is the internal fertilization. That is 3 to A. Now the next is sperm and egg, that is zygote formation. So the 4 to B is a correct option. Now the next is external fertilization, that is frog, and that is 5 to E. Now the next is give the reason for the following statements. Means questions are here and we have to give the proper reason for the statement. The first question is statements are asexual reproduction is a faster than a sexual reproduction. The cause is it happens with only one parent and does not need special cells or partner. And the next is statement is asexual reproduction leads to genetic variation in offspring. The reason is because it uses two parents and baby gets the different traits from the each and make it unique. The next question is statements are here, not question. The fertilization is necessary for formation of zygote. The reason is zygote is made when the male and female cells join, so the fertilization must happens first. Now the next statement is external fertilization occurs mostly in aquatic animals. The reason is because these animals lays eggs in water, sperm and releases in water to meet the eggs. Now the next statement is Budding in Hydra results an identical offspring. The reason is the baby grows from the parent's body and has the same features as parents. Now the next type of question is that is answer in brief. So we have to give the answer in brief, short answer. The first question is what is the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction? The answer is sexual reproduction needs two parents and gives the different offsprings. Now the next asexual needs only one parents and give spring to that are same as parents. Now the next is question is how does fertilization leads to formation of a zygote? The answer is when sperm that is male cell joins with the egg that is female cell, they forms a new cell that is called zygote. Now the next is what is binary fission and which organism use this method for reproduction? The answer is binary fission is when one cell is split into two. An organism like amoeba and bacteria uses this method. The next question is why genetic variation important in a sexual reproducing organism? The answer is genetic variations helps offspring to be different and better able to serve changes in the environment. Now the next question is explain the process of budding with an example. In budding, a small part of a parent grows out and becomes a new organism. The example is Hydra reproduced by budding. Now the next is answer in detail. So we have to give the answer in detail. The first question is describe the different type of asexual reproduction with example. The answer is that is binary fission means one cell is split into the two, that amoeba, that is budding. The small buds grows and parents as parent, that is Hydra, and the fragmentation, that is the one body takes break into the pieces, that is on planaria. Now the next is spore formation, that is tiny spores grows into new one, that is fungi. So the next question is explain the process of sexual reproduction in human from the zygote gametes formation to zygote development. In human, the male sperms perform sperms, female and egg, and during the fertilization sperm join with egg to form a zygote, and zygote divides and grows into a babies. Now the next question is compare the internal and external fertilization, giving example of organism that uses is the method. Now the answer is the internal fertilization, the fertilization happens inside the body, that is human, example human dog, and external fertilization that happens outside the body, usually in water, that example is frog and fish. Now the next question is discuss the how a sexual reproduction benefits certain organism in stable environment. The answer of the question is in a stable place there is no need for change, and asexual reproduction is a fast and makes many same type of offspring that can survive them well. The next question is explain the importance of reproduction in human survival and continuation of species. The answer of the question is reproduction helps living things, makes new ideas, new ones, and without it species will die out and disappear from the earth. With this, if you have any confusion, you can ask the question in the comment box. With this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.